Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $80 to $100 wreaths from Etsy for less than 15 bucks. These are perfect for fall and winter, and I think you're going to love them. These wire wreath rounds are so trendy right now, and you can find them at your local craft store. They're usually about $3 or $4, but you can always stack with a coupon. Now, if you have Dollar Tree metal wreath forms at home, you can also use wire cutters to trim them down to get the same effect. Feel free to spray paint. These are so gorgeous. Now, you know I love me some dollar store flowers, but we actually found a way to do this cheaper. So we're crafting today, and sometimes it's cheaper to not get the flowers at Dollar Tree.
I got these beautiful peonies from Michael's. All fall flowers were 50% off, and then I had a 20% off coupon. So it came to just around $8, which with 8 flowers would have been the price at Dollar Tree.
So this is like, let's go.
Oh, I love your flowers, girl.
And this one's like cake and cookies and chocolate and bananas and strawberry and caramel.
While I can't promise these smell great, I can promise they're easy to put together. I'm using Dollar Tree floral wire. Put your first layer of greens down almost in a shape of a laurel and wrap around until secure. The simple recipe for making this look high-end is to choose 2 different greeneries, one with some texture to it and one without. Layering them makes it look awesome. I think it looks best to use 3 large flowers and 3 smaller flowers, and you can add these with hot glue. When you use really quality flowers like these, it totally elevates the wreath. And I added in a few additional greens from the rose stems. These turned out so beautiful and totally complement Jess's porch. You can also use the same steps to make gorgeous neutral winter wreaths. I love combining different shades and different textures of white. I think it gives it such an elegant look. These wreaths are less than $15, and you can put them together in about 10 minutes. One of my favorite additions is this Dollar Tree lace ribbon. I buy it every time I go in there. Loop it about 3 times around your wreath form, tie at the top, and then add a dab of hot glue so it stays secure on the metal form. And yep, the hot glue's from Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this video and want more frugal and easy DIYs, leave a comment down below. You know I love to see your faces there. And subscribe so I can see you in the next video and you don't miss out on frugal stuff. And yes, I have some Dollar Tree videos coming up. I think you're gonna love them. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So right now I'm at Jess's house, and isn't this so pretty? We got some fun crafts coming up. Do you wanna say hi, Jess?
Hi.
And a coffee run is in my future because I think I have a free coffee. I do have a free coffee. That moment when you realize good things on an Insta story. Yes.